The new year means the start of a new labor law in California meant to protect more than 1 million freelance and so-called gig economy workers. They do jobs like pet sitting, cleaning, and ride share and delivery driving. Supporters of the law, known as AB 5, say it pushes companies to recognize contractors as employees, giving them access to benefits. But Uber and Postmates are suing the state, hoping to stop the new law. Carter Evans has been following the story and is in Los Angeles. Carter, good morning. So it's not just the companies, some workers who are supposed to be protected by this are actually opposing the new law, right?
That's right. It's a fight that's actually gaining momentum. Uber and Postmates have been joined by other delivery companies now, like Lyft and DoorDash, and they're pouring $110 million into efforts to bring this issue before California voters now in November.
I'm working a job that I love. I'm working the hours that I want.
Jack Kinney, who drives for both Uber and Lyft, feels the new law threatens his freedom and flexibility.
I'm certainly not making less than minimum wage.
Kinney drives in Los Angeles, handling rides between time spent with his 6 grandchildren and caring for his wife battling cancer. He has concerns that AB 5 will force companies to give employees a set schedule.
You put a schedule on me, I'm now no longer able to optimize my work time, and I'm going to make less.
How's it going, man?
Still, many in the gig economy insist they need the minimum wage, overtime, sick leave, and other benefits the new law affords them.
Everybody should be able to have benefits and be able to be part of the system.
Uber and Postmates are suing to block the new law, saying AB 5 is an irrational and unconstitutional statute designed to target and stifle workers and companies in the on-demand economy. On Tuesday, a federal judge temporarily blocked the law from impacting more than 70,000 independent truckers, many who are owner-operators.
This law is bad because we're going to be forced to be employees when we can grow as a small business.
Companies like rideshare provider Lyft have said the law will force drivers to operate differently.
It would impact the ability of drivers to work whenever and wherever they want. They would likely be required to work on scheduled shifts.
Still, some gig economy experts say the law could have a significant impact on companies, adding potentially hundreds of millions of dollars in labor costs.
This is very much a scare tactic from the platforms as a way to convince workers that they should operate against what would actually be something in their best interests. Regulation's not always the answer, but when it comes to the gig economy, some regulation is definitely the answer.
Now, in a statement, Uber said it joined the lawsuit to ensure that all workers are equally protected under the law and can freely choose the way they want to work. Postmates, meanwhile, says it's not trying to seek an exemption from the law, but instead is calling for labor talks with California lawmakers. Anthony?
Carter, thank you.